A scary incident in South Carolina is serving as a harsh reminder of how dangerous lightning can be. 20 people treated after a lightning strike.
WCNC Charlotte's Destiny Richards is live for us this morning. And Destiny, this all comes during National Lightning Safety Awareness Week.
That's right, Lisa. This was a crazy situation where people were taken to hospitals. It was a sunny day, too, with no storm directly overhead. But officials are definitely warning people just to not let their guard down when it comes to lightning strikes, especially when you're out on the water. Now, this happened in South Carolina. More than a dozen people were taken to area hospitals in Lexington County yesterday after a lightning strike on Lake Murray. Officials say 20 people were assessed at the scene. 8 adults and 12 children, and at least 12 were transported. Prisma Health says it saw 15 patients overall, but everyone is expected to be okay. According to the Irmo Fire Department, lightning hit the water and energized a metal cable with buoys on it in the swimming area. Several people were holding on to the cable or were nearby when the lightning hit. The department says it was a bright and sunny day at the lake with clouds nearby but not overhead, and that just shows that it doesn't need to be raining for lightning to be a threat. With storms expected in the Charlotte area later today, you want to make sure you're prepared and have a lightning plan if you're going out on the water. And we do have a list of some simple safety checks. Check the forecast and use our WCNC weather app to help you track lightning in the area. And you've heard this before, if thunder roars, go indoors. Get to a fully enclosed building or a hard-topped car. Avoid tents, shelters, and especially trees. Avoid plumbing, corded electronics, and windows while you're inside, and stay put for 30 minutes after the last roar of thunder before going back outside. Now, if you happen to see someone who is struck by lightning, you need to call 911 immediately, start CPR, or use an AED if needed. And you can touch that person. There's no transfer of electricity or anything with that. You just need to make sure that they stay dry and safe until help arrives. Ben, Lisa.
So give us some sort of perspective here. How do the Carolinas rank when it comes to lightning strikes?
Yeah, definitely some surprising statistics here. Florida's #1, and then it's Texas, Alabama, and then North Carolina. North Carolina ranks #4 for lightning deaths in the country. South Carolina not too far behind at #16. Also have a couple of other statistics to share. According to the National Weather Service, in 2025, so far there have been 4 deaths. The rankings are according to recent data between 2015 and 2024, but in 2025, 4 deaths so far. The first one of the year was in North Carolina, in Jacksonville, North Carolina, just northeast of Wilmington. A man died because he was on a river or a creek, and he was killed by lightning while fishing on a boat. So it's definitely very dangerous to be doing outdoor recreation and working outdoors as well. Those are typically the most ways that, or those are the biggest causes for people who happen to be struck by lightning. It's also that men are 4 more times more likely to be struck than women. So, women also work outside. They also do that. That just happens to be the statistic there. And then the summer months, of course, are when lightning strikes the most. But of course, just stay with us. Our WCNC Charlotte weather team, you just need to have a plan and make sure that you know when lightning's going to be in the area. But I'm sure Chris will talk more about that too.
And it's just a reminder to not ignore lightning. As you said, it doesn't have to be close by, but when you hear that thunder, go inside.
I tell you what, just after seeing this story when it first happened, 20 people, that has got my attention.
For sure.
All right, Destiny, thank you for that.